Hi, this is from Sose University. There's a job opening for the technology system admin with SQL DBA. The company Access Automation Private Limited. The location is Bangalore, Karnataka. They are looking for 5 to 8 years of experience candidate with a good communication skill. The qualification must be BSc, BCA, BA with computer science with or with related experience. The experience 1 to 1.5 years is required. The second technology is SQL DBA for the company Amiable Services. The location is Pune, Maharashtra. The experience needed 0 to 3 years. The job description is experience with the production support for SQL Server 2008 R2 onwards. Database administration L3 support experience like installation, configuration, patching, upgrade services 1 to services 2 incident. And the third technology is SQL DBA. The company APPLYCUP Hiring Solution LLP. They are looking for 3 to 6 years of experience candidate. Locations Haryana, Delhi, and the qualification need is bachelor's degree in computer science or equivalent experience, such as 3 to 6 years of candidates. The skills must be SQL performance tuning, DBA is required. Job description is contribution in all phases of development life cycle. Writing well-designed, testable, efficient codes is required. The fourth technology is SQL DBA for the company EU system. The experience needed is 5 to 8 years of experience. The location is Bangalore, Delhi. They are looking for hands-on experience on designing, supporting high availability SQL solutions such as SQL clustering, mirroring, log shipping, always on, etc. And 5 years of Windows servers experience is needed. The fifth technology is SQL DBA for the company Baxture. The location is Pune. The experience needed is 4 to 7 years. The skills must be SQL Server database writing and complex queries designing SSIS, SSRS, and SSAS services using ETL tools, knowledge of SDLC like and STLS, designing stored procedure triggering functioning and tables is required. The links for these jobs will be given in the video description, so you can apply them directly. Please subscribe to the Social University channel for the more job details. Thank you.